For safe hearth extension sizing, follow the rule that the hearth should extend 16 inches in front and 8 inches to each side of the fireplace opening when the fireplace opening is 6 inches or greater. When sizing a hearth extension, measure the fireplace opening height and width accurately, and then apply the 16-inch front and 8-inch side rule for openings that are 6 inches or larger. If the opening is under 6 inches, the required projection will be different, and you should check local codes or the National Fire Protection Guidelines, which often specify varying dimensions by opening height. Use non-combustible materials such as stone, brick, tile, concrete, or metal for the hearth extension, and ensure the assembly is continuous and level with no combustible materials directly beneath the surface. Keep the mantel and any surrounding trim at the clearances specified by code, which commonly require specific vertical and horizontal distances from the fireplace opening to limit heat exposure to combustible materials. When installing, fasten hearth components to the subfloor or masonry with appropriate anchors or adhesives rated for high temperature to prevent movement and gaps that can trap embers. For retrofit work, remove combustible flooring and underlayment beneath the hearth area and replace with approved non-combustible substrate extending to the full size of the required projection. Always document measurements and materials and, if codes are unclear, consult the authority having jurisdiction or a qualified building inspector before finalizing the installation. Common mistakes include underestimating the projection and not measuring from the actual fireplace opening, which leads to too small of a hearth extension. Double-check by measuring at the opening and applying the 16-inch and 8-inch rule, and verify against your local code. Another frequent issue is using combustible or insufficiently rated materials like untreated wood or laminates. Solve this by specifying non-combustible materials and asking suppliers for heat rating information and installation instructions. A third concern is ignoring mantel clearances and decorative trim which can ignite or char over time. Maintain the required vertical and horizontal clearances, use non-combustible mantles or protective shields, and confirm clearance distances with your inspector. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare project ideas so we can plan hearth extension work with neighbors who have completed similar projects. We also help contractors find leads and participate in our discussion community so we can exchange installation tips, code interpretations, and trusted local referrals.